Hello, explorers. Welcome to RxRevelation. Introduction. Dulcolax tablet is a medicine used to treat constipation. It is a laxative and helps you empty your bowels. Main content: Precautions, 5 mg. US says, treatment of constipation. Take this medicine as advised by your doctor. Action. Dulcolax tablet is a laxative. It works by increasing the movement of the intestines, thereby facilitating the passage of stool. Side effects. Most side effects do not require any medical attention and disappear as your body adjusts to the medicine. Common side effects are vomiting, bloating, nausea, stomach cramps. Safety advice. Caution is advised when consuming alcohol with Dulcolax tablet. Please consult your doctor. Dulcolax tablet may be unsafe to use during pregnancy. Dulcolax tablet is probably safe to use during breastfeeding. Dulcolax tablet may cause side effects which could affect your ability to drive.